1965 Maserati Quattroporte. Price: $12,750. Location: Hawaii. The 1965 Maserati Quattroporte is one of those rare Italian classics that instantly captures the attention of collectors around the world. Introduced as Maserati's first luxury four-door sports sedan, the Quattroporte blended breathtaking Italian design with high-performance engineering. Even after more than 6 decades, it remains a symbol of elegance, exclusivity, and handcrafted automotive excellence. The example you're looking at has an incredible story behind it. It has been under long-term ownership since 1976 and has only recently emerged from decades of storage. Finished in a sophisticated bronze exterior over a black interior, this Quattroporte still showcases the timeless styling that made it one of the most desirable executive sedans of its era. Adding even more appeal, the car comes with its original California pink slip, giving enthusiasts confidence in its documented history. The heart of this classic is its legendary Maserati V8 engine paired with a desirable manual transmission. Even though the car is currently not running, its factory equipment remains impressive. Highlights include 4-wheel disc brakes, dual exhaust, chrome bumpers, chrome exterior trim, classic Smith's instrumentation, a gorgeous 3-spoke wood steering wheel, bucket seats, and vintage toggle switches. Every detail reminds you that this was once among the fastest and most luxurious 4-door automobiles money could buy. The current non-running condition may discourage casual buyers, but for experienced restorers, it opens the door to an exciting opportunity, bringing a first-generation Maserati Quattroporte back to life is far more than just restoring a car. It's preserving an important chapter of Italian automotive history. Once completed, this grand touring sedan has the potential to become a standout at concours events, classic car shows, or prestigious collector gatherings. The first-generation Quattroporte has become increasingly difficult to find, especially examples with documented American history. As values of vintage Italian classics continue to rise, projects like this attract collectors searching for rare investments with long-term appreciation potential. The combination of rarity, heritage, and unmistakable Italian craftsmanship makes this Maserati an exciting candidate for a full restoration. The elegant proportions, powerful V8 soundtrack, and unmistakable Maserati badge continue to inspire enthusiasts decades after the model first debuted. Unlike many classic sedans of its time, the Quattroporte was designed to deliver both luxury and genuine sports car performance, creating an unforgettable driving experience that few competitors could match.